So I will demonstrate how to create specifier in C++ code. So let's start. First, I encode my name, Mike Arrow Domingo, and my course BSc MC1D8. And of course, the title is a specifier. And first, let's include IOStream to include the input or output stream library. And for the class declaration, let's encode class car curly bracket, and at the bottom is private, and include int speed for private data member and std string make for private data speaker. And for public, to construct the initialized data members, let's encode car int as std string m percent open parent speed as make m curly bracket side by side. And for public member function to set speed, let's encode this void set speed int as curly bracket. And for at the bottom is, let's encode if close and open parenthesis as 0 to 100 curly bracket, and the speed is equal to s to set speed, also curly bracket. And public member function to get speed int get speed, and to int get speed const specifier std string get speed to public member function to get make std string get make const return speed return make to return make. And to public member function to display car information, let code this void display close and open parenthesis count for declaration. And for the definition of display info members function outside class is, let's code this void car display to const specifier, and std count car make count car make speed speed k std and curly bracket. And to the main function where the program execution begins, let's code int main. And to create an object of class car, let's code this const car my car 100 Toyota to const specifier of object. And to access public member function to display car information, let's code this my car display info to output car make Toyota speed, and return 0 to return statement successful termination of the program, and curly bracket. So let's see. So the car make is Toyota with a speed of 100 kilometers per hour.